The city round of the Republican festival Sadrangi Chakan 100 Colors of Chakan was held in the city of Isfara. At the festival, women, girls and artisans of the city exhibited ancient children's everyday ceremonial festival and official embroideries, clothes as well as various types of needlework. During this beautiful event, it was noted that Republican festival Sadrangi Chakan 100 Colors of Chakan is held annually with aim of increasing patriotism and self-awareness, national pride, the value and prestige of national clothing, widely demonstrating the embroidery of national clothing and presenting at the high art of craft and Tajik people on the international stage. With a noble foresight and forward-looking initiative of the leader of the nation, Honorable Emomali Rahman, to raise the status and prestige national textile, embroidery, needlework and embroidery, and determine the high craftsmanship of designers and craftsmen at the 13th session of the Intergovernmental Committee of the Safeguarding of the Establishment Intangible Cultural Heritage of UNESCO in Port Louis. The name Chakan, the art of embroidery in the Republic of Tajikistan, was officially included by the organization in the list of the intangible heritage of humanity, which is pride of around and cultural Tajik people. The art of embroidery is reflected in works of archaeological and philosophers, writers and critics, all branches of science. The finds of archaeologists and Aryan Paleolithic regions indicate that the ancestors of Tajik people have embroidering the weaving flowers, various fabrics since ancient times, which was famous and among other ancient peoples. The Tajik people are an ancient people with a rich culture. One of its main pillars is clothing. National clothing is a symbol of culture of Tajik people, or which various competitions are held every year, leading the development of the national clothing. We would like to remind you that in recent years this festival has been held throughout the country, contributing to the discovery and presentation of the professional craftsmen and designers.